What's up, guys? It's Frank and this is Graybird Garage. So we don't have any automotive projects today, but I got something pretty cool here that's going to make everything a lot easier in this shop, and it's going to be basically a game changer. I got a set of Quickjacks. So what we're going to do is we're going to set these up today, get them running, and since there's no other cars in the shop today, we're going to get the Mustang up there, see if we can't get her up in the air. So I'm pretty excited about this. Shout out to my wife Amy for purchasing these for me. I've been wanting these for a while, and I'm very happy to have them as part of the tools here in the shop. So let's get going on unboxing these and set them up, see how they work. Alright guys, so here we are. Got everything all unboxed. Got your hydraulic control unit there with the hydraulic lines. And these frames, they're pretty heavy. I gotta say, they're probably about 100 pounds each. And getting them positioned out of the boxes was a real pain. But there's good news because they do have wheels on them, so once you're on the concrete, they're a lot easier to move around. The other thing we got is all our hydraulic fittings. These are all quick disconnect, which is what makes this portable, because you could set it up and then use your quick disconnects and you don't have to worry when you get it to your next location to set it up. But it ain't really going anywhere. It's going to be here in the shop. So that's basically it so far. Next thing is to get the quick disconnects on, and we have to add hydraulic fluid. They say to use an automatic transmission fluid. That'll work as well. And once we get all that in, they give you instructions on how to bleed the cylinders, and well, we'll see if this thing works. And I'm pretty confident that it should, so here we go. All right, here we are. We got all the fittings installed on the hydraulic hoses, and the hydraulic hoses to go to the hydraulic cylinder. Those are installed also. They want you to keep them at a slight upward angle when you're installing them. So we're good there. Next, according to the instructions, is to pressurize the air cylinders. The air cylinder is the little cylinder to the right of the hydraulic cylinder. They say to pressurize that to between 40 and 50 psi. I'm going to use just a regular tire inflator to pressurize these, and then we got to hook everything up, put the transmission fluid into the reservoir there, and then comes bleeding the cylinders. So here we go, keep it on going. All right, we got everything set up. Looks pretty good as far as the bleeding is concerned. And if you look, they both go up pretty evenly. And then the weight of the vehicle actually helps push them down evenly, but they do go down. So got everything operational. All that's left to do now is let's get a car on it.